In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot LinkedIn Sales Navigator right within your HubSpot account, making your sales process even more efficient. Let's dive right in and make sure you've got everything set up properly. First things first, you'll want to open up HubSpot and log into your account. Ensure you're using the correct login credentials so you can access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top of your screen, where you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. In doing so, you'll be directed to the HubSpot marketplace, a place bustling with various tools and integrations designed to enhance your HubSpot experience. But today, our focus is on bringing LinkedIn Sales Navigator into the mix. You should notice a search bar prominently displayed here. This will be your gateway to finding exactly what you need. Simply type in LinkedIn Sales into that search bar. Now, give it a moment and LinkedIn Sales Navigator should pop right up in your search results. Once you see it, click on it to proceed. The next page will present you with more information about this integration, but what's most important right now is the installation. You'll see a button labeled Install. Go ahead and click that. This will set the necessary wheels in motion to integrate LinkedIn Sales Navigator with HubSpot. This seamless integration will allow you and your team to access powerful LinkedIn insights right from your HubSpot dashboard, helping to streamline your workflow and enhance your sales capabilities. With these tools at your fingertips, connecting with the right leads becomes easier and managing your pipeline more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully set up LinkedIn Sales Navigator within HubSpot. Whether you're prospecting for new leads or nurturing existing relationships, this integration is designed to bolster your sales strategy by keeping everything you need in one convenient place. Remember, if at any point you run into trouble, HubSpot support resources are just a click away to help guide you. That's all for today's guide, and I hope you find this integration as beneficial to your workflow as many others have. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.